TINO WiFi Smart 8-Zone Sprinkler Controller, Intelligent Garden Irrigation System with app, weather sync, and voice control. Transform your garden into a fully automated, efficient watering paradise with the TINO WiFi Smart 8-Zone Sprinkler Controller. Designed to take the hassle out of garden maintenance, this powerful smart irrigation system lets you water your lawn, plants, or crops with total control and precision, from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at home or traveling, the TINO Sprinkler Controller ensures your garden stays green, lush, and healthy. Simply connect it to your Wi-Fi, use the intuitive TINO Smart or Smart Life app, and you're ready to manage up to 8 zones of irrigation with ease. With voice assistant integration for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, watering your garden is now as easy as saying the word. Key features: Wi-Fi-enabled smart control. Manage your entire sprinkler system from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, TINO brings smart automation to your garden with hands-free voice control. 8-Zone Custom Irrigation. Water smarter, not harder. Easily program up to 8 individual zones to match the specific watering needs of your garden, lawn, flower beds, greenhouse, or farm. Each zone can have a custom schedule, so no area is over or underwatered. Smart Weather Integration. Save water and protect your plants with real-time weather sync. The system automatically skips watering on rainy or snowy days based on your local weather forecast, maximizing efficiency and reducing waste. Flexible scheduling with app. Through the TINO Smart or Smart Life app, create flexible, fully customized watering schedules. Whether it's every day, every other day, or specific days of the week, the system adapts to your needs seamlessly. DIY installation. Set up your irrigation controller in minutes, no technician needed. Simply install the unit in an area with a good Wi-Fi signal, connect your existing sprinkler wires, and follow the app instructions to complete setup. Multi-scene versatility. Perfect for a wide range of applications including residential gardens, lawns, greenhouses, vegetable patches, and even small-scale farms. Wherever you need intelligent watering, TINO delivers. Product benefits at a glance. Control remotely from anywhere in the world. Avoid overwatering with weather-based automation. Save time, water, and effort. Enhance plant health and lawn vibrancy. Suitable for home or commercial use. What's included? TINO Smart Wi-Fi Sprinkler Controller. User Manual. Installation Guide. Mounting Accessories. Tech Specs. Zones. 8 independent zones. Connectivity. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. App. TINO Smart, Smart Life. Voice Control. Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. Weather Sync. Yes, power. AC adapter included. Smarter watering starts now. Whether you're maintaining a backyard lawn, a garden bed, or a full greenhouse, the TINO Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller is the ultimate tool to ensure every plant receives the water it needs, only when it's needed. Stay in control, stay efficient, go smart with TINO.